Hi guys, so we're going to make a mojito tonight. So first of all, we're out in the garden cutting our fresh mint. Bring it into the house, give it a wash over, split it up and put it into a container. Now we have our mint and we're going into a hurricane glass. So we have about 8 or 10 leaves of mint, just depending on how strong the mint is. We would have 20 ml of sugar syrup, homemade sugar syrup, just a 1-to-1. Then we would have 25 ml of lime juice, just to counteract the sweetness from the sugar syrup. And we would have 50 ml of white rum. And we give it a muddle, which will break up and let the flavour of the mint come out. Don't muddle it too hard because the mint will go better on you. Then we add some ice. Beware for flying ice, as you can see just with my hand. And top it off with soda water. So, we're going to give our mojito a stir, just to incorporate all the flavours. Bring the mint up to the top and sugar syrup. We'll then take a sprig of mint. We'll give it a slap of our hand, this just releases the flavour of the mint. And we pop it on top. Finish, pop a straw in, and ladies and gentlemen, there you have your mojito.